How to add transitions in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app and load the project where you want to edit your videos. Next, make sure you have at least 2 clips or photos in your timeline, as transitions are applied between 2 elements. Tap on the small square or line between the 2 clips where you want to add a transition. This will open a transition menu. Browse through the variety of available transitions such as fade, slide, zoom, wipe, and many more. Tap on the one you like to apply it instantly between the clips. You can also adjust the duration of the transition by dragging the slider, making it faster or slower depending on your preference. Preview the video to see how the transition looks and make any adjustments if needed. You can add different transitions between multiple clips throughout your project to create a smooth and professional flow. Now you know how to add transitions in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.